Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iMessage not delivered. Alright, so first up, basic fixes first. You need to go ahead and check your internet connection. If you're currently connected to a Wi-Fi, if you do have multiple Wi-Fi connections, go ahead and try other connections. Or if you have cellular data or mobile data, go ahead and try it as well. And if internet is not the case, we will go ahead over to our messages section right here. Look for the message or the contact where it was not delivered. Okay, so you'll be able to see an exclamation point besides the text. Just basically touch the red circle with an exclamation mark and then go ahead and tap on try again. Now sometimes there will be a drop down where it asks you to send us a text message. Okay, go ahead and tap that option to bypass the internet and set it as a standard cellular SMS. And the bubble will turn green. So that means it is not iMessage anymore. It is a regular SMS. So another option, you need to verify the phone number or the recipient status, okay? Ensure that your recipient is still using an Apple device. If they switch to Android, iMessage will fail. And if the recipient has Do Not Disturb on or Focus Mode on, right here, your message might not show delivered until they view it, or it may say delivered quietly. Another option, maybe you've been blocked. If you are blocked by the contact, your messages will never show delivered. Now, let's say the person is using Apple device, doesn't have focus mode, they didn't block you. Well, let's just go ahead and reactivate our iMessage, okay? So go ahead over to settings right here and find the app section at the very bottom. Now find messages. Now here we have iMessage, disable it for now, leave it for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then after that, just turn it back on and then just wait for the activation. All right. So if yours says activating or waiting for activation right here, and it takes a ton of time, well, what you'll do is just wait for about 24 to 48 hours if this is your first time adding your SIM or adding an eSIM. So you'll have to wait. It's a process by Apple right here. And that is how you fix iMessage not delivered. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.